Hey y'all, it is Beauty Mama, and today we are unboxing the FabFitFun 2019 starter box. And basically what this is when you have a friend that's on FabFitFun and they get like coupons or tokens or something like that. I don't know exactly how the process goes, but I got a call from my friend. She told me that she has a starter box and all I had to do was pay for shipping, and if I like the items in the box, then I get to decide if I want to subscribe to them. It is a monthly seasonal $50, so every 4 seasons they'll send you a box. And I obviously did the starter box. It was like $5 plus taxing and everything for the shipping part, but it's basically free for me. And I'm so excited. It came today, just this afternoon. Yay. So before I get ahead of myself, let's get going. So it says FabFitFun on the front of the box. It says feel good, do good right here. And it says warning, the products in this box may cause excitement and it's what's inside counts. Happiness delivered. I just love how this box is. This is awesome. So I cut it open already, and the front of the box is this. Welcome to your new favorite thing. And this is what the inside looks like. I have not got into it yet. I have not opened anything, and so I'm excited. So this looks like a magazine. FabFitFun, the starter box, and your box is full of secrets, and we're sharing with them. Page 2 should be the description. Ah, this is so cool. And on the back says, are we friends yet? And then it says to follow them on these social links right here. So it says page 2, perks of your box. Check out hashtag FabFitFun. So when I like post this or whatnot, it says follow us on social media. It says read up on the insider. So if you go to the website and everything, community, members only discount, enter our giveaways. The prices are amazing. And I was told that this magazine should contain what my products are, but it just seems like a magazine to me. I have no clue. I don't know. But I like it so far. It looks cute. And it gives me something to look at when I'm bored. It has your horoscopes and has quizzes on the back of it. Oh, that's so cool. So my horoscope is, where's Taurus? Whether it's a new restaurant or a lavish getaway, Taurus appreciates the finer things in life. As a true earth sign, however, she is thoughtful of Mother Nature, making the ORG skincare mineral pill face a welcome green yet luscious addition to her vanity. Oh, that is cool. Okay, tell me in the comments what your horoscope is, and I'll go back in your comments and exactly write out what your horoscope says on here. How exciting. Ooh. So if you're Taurus from April 20th to May 20th, this is what it said. So yeah, this thing is awesome. How curated your box is, and so on and so forth. Oh, and the adventure begins. That is cute. That is actually really cute. That'd be cool if you just take it out and put it in a picture frame and sit them side by side, and just for decoration. That is cute. That's awesome. Okay, I'll move some things around here. Okay, I'll put that off the side. And there is a note on top, a note from us. Oh, so this tells you what I get in the box. A note from us, a FabFit, where we'll bring you the best of best. That's why we're super excited for you to experience the starter box. It's just a small taste of what you can look forward to as a FabFit member. Enjoy some of our top rated products, and don't forget that your next box will be even bigger and include more products. Happy unboxing. Oh, and it tells you the prices with this. Okay, that's awesome. I'm gonna keep that right here. And there's only 4 things in here that I see. So as you can tell, the seal is not broken yet. And I was told that these products add up to $75. So we'll see. Let's break the seal. Okay, let me pull the 4 things out and push the box off to the side. This is cute. There's so little space for so much for a big box. Like this right here is how much is open, and this part is just probably covered in the box. Do they hide a product in here somewhere? That would be awesome. Yeah, no, that's all it. Okay, so we have a Summer and Rose, a place for everything. And it is a incline trinket dish. Keep your babbles in one place. The ceramic trinket dish holds small jewelry and instantly elevates any vanity with its gold detailing. And this is retailed at $22. So the total retail of this whole box is actually $162 because it says right there on the box. It's $162. I'm so nervous to open this now. Oh my. I'm sorry. This is beautiful. Let me pull it out of the packaging. Wow. That is beautiful, and it's like a really good size. Like, here's my hand next to it. That is a big dish. And that is cute. I already have a jewelry box, but I can use this for like other things. That is so cool. I feel like just put my foundation on it and so on and so forth. Oh, that is cool. I'm gonna do that right now. Makes my area nicer now. That is cute. So that's retailed at $22. And the next one is a Hava Leave-On Dead Sea Mud and a Duramat Intense Foot Cream. Made with is it foot cream? I'm sorry. Oh, and it's for dry and sensitive skin. That is awesome. That is really cool because I have actually a face mask from Havana. Now I got a foot cream. Like my husband do my feet now. Made with mineral-rich Dead Sea mud, this daily cream works to relieve painful, dry, rough, cracked, or coarse skin. And it's retailed at $29. That is awesome. I wonder what it smells like. Ooh, that smells good. Smells like cocoa butter with a hint of cinnamon. So it's like, it smells like Christmas. I'm a Christmas fanatic. That is awesome. Oh, now my husband has a chore to do tonight. Okay, so on to the next one. And I'm going in order. So it says, this works deep sleep pillow spray. What? Deep sleep pillow spray. Get quality beauty sleep. Spritz this blend of lavender, vetiver, and chamomile on your pillow before bed to improve sleep quality. Let's hope this works because I have insomnia for days. And it says, fall asleep faster naturally and wake up refreshed. Spray for relaxant. That's in Spanish. I don't know how to read that. Spray your pillow or on your bed cover before you go to sleep. Use the promote rest and relaxation. Ew. I think they stuck too much lavender. I need to spray more. It's either lavender or whatever that vetiver. I don't know. I might get a migraine trying to sleep with that. I'll think about this one. But this one is retailed at $29. But I'll let you guys know how it works. I will probably give it a try tonight, and we'll see. And last but not least is Murad Renewing Eye Cream. And it's in this little box. A renewing eye cream. And this ultra nourishing eye cream the eye cream features advanced peptides. Oh my geez. Advanced peptides and retinol to increase elasticity and visibility, minimizes line invisibility. What is wrong with me today? And visibly minimize lines and wrinkles. And I actually do have some like crow's feet going on and certain lines I want to diminish. And this is retailed at $82. What in the hell? And there's also instructions in different languages on the inside of the box. To use AM and PM, gently pat around your eyes. Okay. And it's that. I don't know if that's the full size or because it's literally right there. So I don't know if that's the full size or not. I gotta smell everything. Oh my gosh, this thing is overpowering my bathroom now. That's all I smell. Oh, it's a cream. Oh, I thought it was coming out like a foam. That smells good. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells good. I'll definitely be giving that a try. Good. Alright, so that is all of my items I got in my starter box, and I actually like it. I'm not too sure if I'm wanting to do it right now since the holidays are upcoming, and $50 can go towards presents. What are you doing? You weirdo. It says, you know, presents, $50 can go towards presents and everything. So I might start until next year for this. But so these are the 3 items I got, and I like this one. This one, the dish, is beautiful, and I'm in love with it already. And then I definitely will be trying these 2 out, but I'm not too sure about the pillow spritzer. So I'll let you guys know in the description or tomorrow. Because if you're not following me on Instagram, you guys should be. Here's the link below. I don't know if it's right here or here. I can't figure it out where it's on, but it's right there at Rebel Lover 92 on Instagram. I'm most active on that than I am really anything else. And I'll probably post a review on this the next morning or whatnot. So I hope you guys liked my video, because this is awesome. I actually enjoyed this, and pray with me that I get my Ipsy here soon, because I'm getting frustrated already as it is. So yeah, this is what I got. I'm excited and happy with it. So $82, $29.29, and then $22, and the descriptions and so on and so forth. So I'm excited. I love this already. So yay! Okay, I'll catch you guys on my next video when I do a witch theme, and don't mind me because I'm gonna end up having a witch hat. So I'm gonna be having a sexy witch eyeshadow look, and I can't speak. So yeah, I got hair hanging in my face. Ugh. So yeah, I love you guys. Have a great weekend, or you know, since it's Thursday, some people might be getting off tomorrow. So I guys hope you have finished the week and have a great one. Okay, love you.